हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। मेरा नाम है प्रियांशु जैन और आप देख रहे हैं इनसाइक्लो हब। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर डिस्कसिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1F26 and before starting this I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And here question number 1 to 6, and we have already solved all the questions. If you want, you can call anytime or message anytime. So here the question number 1 which we are discussing here, which is we have to written in the 40 to 60 words, and this question is taken from the lesson 2. Question number second is also from um, 40 to 60 words. Question number 3 is 40 to 60 words. Question number 4, and you have to write in the 100 to 150 words. And question number 5, you have to write in 100 to 150 words. And question number 6, you have to write in the 500 words. So that you can see here is the paragraph, and we have written all the answers in the PDF. If you need this, kindly contact us on the number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.